Hi, this is CPF from Beam0 International, and in this video, you will learn how to schedule a maintenance operation on Beam. Let's get started. Beam is a great tool to manage maintenance operations. For example, we can define preventive maintenance plans to make sure the assets are in perfect condition. I'll show you how we can create one right now. I am going to select an asset, which is going to be one of the tracks stored in the system, and then the maintenance code. In this case, it will be the code associated with an annual maintenance operation. Selecting that code updates the follow update section automatically. If we select a different maintenance code, we might have to select the maintenance period manually. If we want this maintenance operation to appear in our calendar as a work order, we have to select that option. If the task involved any kind of measurements, we could add the values here to compare them in the future, and we can decide that we want to create the work order on a business day. Under the Work Order Information tab, we can define things like the status of the asset while it's being maintained, the work order type, the estimated maintenance time, or the cost of the maintenance. We can add some notes here, and we can select a maintenance plan for this annual inspection. I will select the vehicle maintenance plan that has already been defined in the system, and when the time comes, the employee responsible for the maintenance operation will have to follow all these work steps. We could also select calibration packages, study maintenance risks, or add attachments to this preventive maintenance plan.